Hello students, today uh, I'll give you a third part of this Neha's alarm clock. Okay, and here I'll tell you about preposition. Okay, so first of all, I'll tell you what is the definition of the preposition and where we use these. Okay, so first of all, this what are the preposition? Actually, preposition is a word that is used to link noun or pronoun with other word in the sentence. Is it clear? Here, link, if because I have used here link. Okay, link means they provide a relationship between the noun and other word in any sentence and make the sentence complete. I have mentioned here other word. Now a question comes in your mind that what are these? So, my dear student, these other words are nothing. They may be the noun, verb, or adjective. Okay, understand them with one example. Okay, what you have seen in picture? The cat is running. And if I ask you, where is sitting? The cat is sitting under the table. Under is used to link the table, which is a noun. Okay, and sitting, placement of the cat. But if we don't use under here, it is the cat is sitting the table. That is only. We are not able to get what is the relationship between the cat and table now. By using under, we are confirmed that cat is sitting under the table. Here under is what? Preposition. This is the actual meaning of the preposition. Okay. Now let's look into the next one. What is it? Types of preposition. These are divided in three types depending upon three different situations. See here. One is what? When. Another where. Next, in which direction. Okay. When any event of thing happen, this is preposition of time. For example, in, on, at, before, after. And where the event of thing occurred, this is preposition of place. Under, above, in, on, at. And in which direction the event of thing happening, this is preposition of direction. For example, to, into, of, from, between, up. Okay, look, I give a chart to you here, and what you have seen? Time preposition, example of it, place preposition, examples, and direction prepositions, example. Okay, look the pictures because these are giving the proper definition of the preposition. Okay, look, the boy is reading under the tree. Here, under is a preposition, and this is also a linking word which establish a link between the boy and tree. Similarly, the mouse is behind the box. Behind is preposition. The book is on the table. On is preposition. The sheep jumps over the gate. Over is a preposition. These all prepositions come in different category of the preposition types. Okay. Now I'll explain one by one. Okay, look. This is what? Preposition of time. Okay. And where are the, because I have already tell you what are the preposition of time. For example, at, in, on. These are the common example which we are used for the preposition of time. Okay, these are used to indicate what point of time did an event occur. Okay, let me tell you with the help of the example. First one, my birthday falls in January. Okay, tell me when my birthday falls. Answer will be my birthday falls in January. Okay, in is a linking word. Okay, then next one, my vacation ends on Monday. When my vacation end? My vacation ends on Monday. On is a linking word. Okay. And the next one similarly, it gets cold at night. At is a linking word. Remember that preposition links when one thing happens in context to other. Am I right? Okay. Now let's look into the next one. This is what? Preposition of place. Preposition that describe where anything is in context to the other means surface are defined as preposition of place. These prepositions are used to indicate location or position of the object. For example, under, above, in, on, behind, in front of, next to the, near, between, okay, below. These all are because of in picture you have seen so many examples of it. Okay. And now I just give examples to you. The plane is just below the cloud. Okay. Now this below is a what? Tell me preposition. And it tell us what? Place. Am I right or not? Okay, come on a second. The books are on the table. On describe the relation between book and table. It is a place. Am I right? The spoon is in the container. What is in here? This is a preposition of place. Because in, if in we are using here, it means what you are getting? Spoon is inside the container. It tells us the place where the spoon is now. Okay. These prepositions provide where the thing is with respect to the another. Now let's look into the next type. The what is it? Preposition of direction. Okay. And these prepositions describe where to go or where to put something are called the preposition of direction. Okay. Some of the examples are to, into, of, from, between, up, and so many you have just seen in the picture: toward, into, or, past, across. I just here mentioned with the help of the diagram. Okay. And let me give you some sentence example that make you the things clear. Okay. The children are coming from the school. Okay. So this is from the school, from telling us what direction they are coming from the school. Okay. Suppose that children are coming from the school to where uh, their home. Okay. So they are coming from the school. This is a specific direction. Okay. And the next one, we went to London last week. Here to is a linking word. Okay. And to describe in which direction they went. So here to is a linking word. Is it clear? And the next one is he went up the hill. Here up. Okay. Okay, my dear student, look it up. Describe in which direction he went. So up is a linking word. Is it clear to you? I think it is clear to you. Now come on the next one. This is what fill was and were. Today I'll tell you a mantra. Okay, so listen me carefully. If like I'm telling one thing with I, he, she, it, use was. Okay. With you, we, they, use were. Am I right or not? Or in another word, I just want to say you with singular, use was. With plural, use were. This is simple. Okay. Look, I means one person. Okay. I means one person. What we are using here? Yes, was. I was in class third last year. Okay, the second one. Boys, we are not talking about a one boy. Okay, what is it? Boys. It means this is plural, right? Boys were playing game. And the third one, Mohan. Mohan is the name of a particular one boy. Okay, Mohan was running. My friends, not here friend. Friend use only for the one, but friends so many. That's why we will use here were. My friends were very happy. And next, three students. How many? Three. It means students are plural. That's why use here were. Three students were absent. Geeta is only one girl. That's why We use here what? Was. Geeta was laughing loudly. Is it clear you? So again I'll tell you what? With I, he, she, it. Use was. And with you, we, they. Use what? Okay. Come on, next one. Here is a clock. What is it? Clock. Write down word related to the clock. Okay. One, make sentence. Suppose that my clock is very beautiful. Then next, name different parts and time. What are the parts? Yes, tell me. Minute hand, hour hand, second hand, quarter time. Okay, such type of a thing. Picture, you just draw here. Another word. What? Watch. Okay, and then the word in your language. What word you are using for the particular clock? That. Is it clear? Okay, then come on next one. This is last. Assignment and homework. This is for you. Do it very honestly and sincerely, right? First, draw the picture of alarm clock and write down what are the different ways of knowing the time during the day. Am I right? Then second, complete the reading is fun and let's write portion of this chapter from your NCRT book because I clear everything. Okay, that may be the grammar to the grammar portion or book textbook portion. Okay, you just do everything from there. If there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Speak 5 sentences about this situation. Okay, this is your homework and do it honestly, right? So thank you.